Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, your go-to destination for architectural inspiration, home aesthetics, and exterior transformations. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we are taking a deep dive into one of the most iconic, enduring, and sought-after architectural styles of all time, mid-century modern house design. Whether you are looking to build from scratch, renovate your current home, or simply boost your curb appeal, this video covers everything you need to know about bringing mid-century magic to life. Let's get started. Mid-century modern house design is an architectural and interior design movement that originated roughly between the mid-1940s and late 1960s. At its core, this style emphasizes simplicity, functionality, clean geometric lines, and a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Emerging in the post-World War II era, it rejected the ornate, heavy decorative elements of classic architectural eras in favor of minimalist forms, open floor plans, dynamic roof lines, and an unpretentious integration with the surrounding natural environment. Choosing a mid-century modern design offers a perfect harmony of aesthetic elegance and practical everyday living. One of the primary benefits is the abundant natural light, courtesy of iconic floor-to-ceiling glass windows and expansive sliding doors that effortlessly blur the boundary between indoor living and outdoor landscapes. Additionally, the inherent focus on functionality and open space creates a highly adaptable, clutter-free environment that promotes relaxation and smooth traffic flow throughout the home. Furthermore, the timeless appeal of mid-century modern architecture ensures high market value, as its clean geometry, natural material palettes, and organic warmth remain perpetually stylish regardless of changing interior design trends. Decorating a mid-century modern exterior requires a thoughtful balance between clean architectural structural lines and organic, warm accents. Start by establishing a sophisticated color palette. A dark or light neutral base combined with natural wood siding and a vibrant accent color, such as lime green, bright orange, or canary yellow, reserved for the front door to create an instant focal point. Integrate sleek, geometric lighting fixtures, minimalist house numbers in classic sans serif typography, and clean line concrete or stone hardscaping pathways. Complement the structural elements with low-maintenance, architectural landscaping, such as ornamental grasses, succulents, or sculpted evergreen shrubs, ensuring that plants enhance the clean lines of the building rather than cluttering them. The best mid-century modern designs rely on several signature structural and material elements working in unison. Characteristic roof lines, including sharp butterfly roofs, dramatic single-pitch shed roofs, or flat cantilevered planes, create instantly recognizable silhouettes. Post and beam construction allows for wide expanses of glass windows, while a rich mix of materials such as vertical or horizontal timber siding, exposed concrete, stacked stone, and dark metal frames adds tactile warmth and visual depth. Large open terraces, integrated decks, and thoughtful landscaping tie the residence directly into its natural surroundings, solidifying the classic mid-century philosophy of living in harmony with nature. Now, let's look at the top 10 best mid-century modern house design ideas that perfectly illustrate these concepts, inspired by the incredible design's ideas. One, terrace slope mid-century modern house with cantilevered deck. This striking design expertly utilizes a sloped landscape with multi-level concrete stepping paths and a lower-level retaining wall adorned with ornamental grasses. The house showcases warm reddish-brown vertical siding juxtaposed against bold black window frames, a spacious raised deck with a dark railing, and an overhead louvered pergola canopy that seamlessly extends the living quarters outdoors. 2. Mid-century modern house with asymmetrical shed roof. Featuring a bold asymmetrical shed roof, this home captures attention with its rich horizontal wood paneling and dark matte accent cladding. Large clear-story windows flood the interior with light, while a bright lime green front door provides an iconic mid-century color contrast against the natural wood tones and manicured lawn. 3. Mid-century modern house with stacked concrete dark cladding elevation. This contemporary take on mid-century design utilizes smooth-poured concrete retaining walls and a sunken garage base to elevate the main living structure. Black panel siding is balanced by light wood soffits underneath angled roof lines, complemented by wide glass garage panels and clean, stone-lined hillside plantings. 4. Desert mid-century modern house with flat roof and sunken pool. Capturing classic Palm Springs desert modernism, this low-slung, flat-roof residence features crisp white overhangs, floor-to-ceiling glass walls, and a prominent stone chimney. The pristine swimming pool, expansive concrete deck, and green lawn sit framed against a backdrop of dramatic mountain ranges and palm trees. 5. Split-level mid-century modern house with extended overhangs. Nestled among mature trees, this split-level home combines charcoal vertical siding with rich honey-toned horizontal timber framing around prominent windows. Wide roof overhangs with exposed beams project outward over a sloped lawn and paved driveway, striking an ideal balance between modern structure and natural surroundings. 6. Mid-century modern house with brick chimney and cantilevered balcony. This design showcases warm brick accent walls with an integrated outdoor fireplace alongside an upper-level cantilevered balcony equipped with dark metal railings. Nestled into a lush green lawn, the home uses expansive double-story glass windows to capture views of the surrounding woodland. 7. Mid-century modern house with curved driveway. Emphasizing sweeping horizontal lines, this spacious residence features a wide concrete driveway leading past clean stone walls. Warm timber accent cladding frames the upper level, while floor-to-ceiling glass panels illuminate the living spaces, casting a welcoming glow across the pristine landscaping. 8. Mid-century modern house with dark siding with butterfly roof. This charming residence highlights a subtle butterfly roofline and rich dark painted vertical siding. Oversized glass wall panels open up to a simple timber deck, where bright red chairs add a punch of playful mid-century color against green foliage and gravel hardscaping. 9. Mid-century modern house with warm timber wall expanses. Glowing warmly at twilight, this residence utilizes vertical timber paneling across its entire facade, anchored by black structural posts and a broad concrete patio terrace. Open glass doors connect the spacious indoor living areas directly to an inviting outdoor lounge space overlooking stepping stone gardens. 10. Mid-century modern house with minimalist post and beam. Showcasing classic post and beam architecture, this single-story home features a central entry deck accessible by broad steps, framed by lush evergreen landscaping. Dark structural beams and glass curtain walls center around a brilliant orange front door, delivering a quintessential mid-century modern aesthetic. Mid-century modern architecture remains one of the most timeless design choices available today, blending clean lines, natural materials, and an effortless connection to nature. Whether you choose to incorporate simple exterior touches like an orange accent door or undertake a full facade renovation with timber siding and floor-to-ceiling glass, these design principles will immediately elevate your home's aesthetic appeal and functional quality. If you found these mid-century modern exterior ideas inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below telling us which of these 10 ideas was your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe to Better Homes Designs and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming home design guides and exterior transformation videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.